I think they do. I think that the Russian tactics is the wrong one, and
You know, healthcare will always have challenges. No matter what country you're in, how we deliver healthcare, there's going to be challenges. We have an
lets people, decides who's going to get called back. So we follow our collective agreements, and that has been outlined for many years.
So earlier this year, the province announced that class sizes in most grades would increase over the next 4 years. Then last week at a news conference, we heard from the education minister a slightly different message, saying that class sizes during the upcoming year won't be as large as initially anticipated, with an average of 22.5 students. What to do? Go there. Go by September.